Yeah. It's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Oh, stay on, baby. Stay on. Oh my gosh. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, 10LA, small town angler. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If y'all enjoyed today's video, please smash that thumbs up button. So I got in store today, it's probably gonna do a little pond hopping today. I'm here with my buddy Jesse. What up? And my buddy Rob down there. He's already getting down there for some good places down there. And see, we're just gonna go out here and have a great time like always. Try to get on some big bass, and we're coming to this spot here to get some try to get some topwater blow-ups this morning. And hopefully we get on some big fish. You know, it's 3 of us fishing. We're throwing kind of the same kind of style of lures, but a little bit different colors. So hopefully we can find out their pattern here and get on some good bass here today. But like I said, we're just gonna have some fun. Probably do a little pond hopping today. Go a couple different places. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Let's get some line on. Get some line on the water. Get on some bass. Yeah, like I just do it like this. Keep my tip kind of down. Yep. You can do it slow, just make it walk kind of wide, or just whatever they're keying off of. I just kind of do a couple different things. That one's gonna stay a little deeper just because them hooks on there are heavier than what it come with. Yeah. Out here, it's yeah, because I mean they're eating shad as big as my hand out here. That's one reason why they're so big. Catfish and the gar.
Yeah, I know there's catfish in here for sure.
I don't even see no blow-ups down here right now. Not like there usually is. I know we got like maybe 1 or 2 more weeks of them bass really running bait.
Before it gets too cold.
Then it's gonna start slowing down a lot.
Go down there?
Yeah, we're gonna move. Yeah, move a little further down. They're just not popping down here right now.
Oh my god! Right there, dude.
There is double digits in here all the time.
Oh my god! You see that, Rob?
There's some huge fish in here, man. They're just getting in a bite. That's why I think I'm gonna throw a crank. Start throwing.
Oh, once they pop up like that?
Yeah, because they're chasing they're chasing that school of shad, so they're keeping with that school. So wherever that school's at, that's where they're at. They're right behind them or right below them. I'll fish, and there's one more right on the other side of these bushes here. But if you want to fish right here, I'll fish right here. There's some big fish in here, man.
I didn't believe you think it was huge, bro. He was right there too, right around there.
Remember when I first started fishing out here, I was throwing buzz bait. Dude, I watched the bass clear come out the water for that thing and missed it.
That's freaking
Set up.
right here, dude. I'll use this over every fish. Big fish I've caught is this setup.
Oh, really? I've caught some. Three good ones?
That was 3 little ones.
3 little ones?
Yeah.
Got excited and hooked that tree, huh?
Yeah. Not paying attention, got me again. Little teaching class over here.
Dude, I was burning it down there on that bank, and you seen that huge wakes coming right for it. I'm like, yes. I paused just a second. He was already getting close to the bank, and he left it. I'm like, dang it. Veggie bass. Oh yeah. Oh, got him. Is there another fish? Is it a fish? I can't tell. I don't know if it's a fish or... Yep, it's a fish. Crankbait. Woo! All right, so you said you got 3? Yeah, see, buddy Rob here, he right there, he caught 3 this size already this morning, so that's a good day so far. Pretty little bass. Thanks, bud. Yeah, well, just that big one before I hung that grass.
I can't do it when you're watching. Don't watch me until you see the cat. I know you're watching me.
Try this guy.
I was doing like back at Wells Fargo.
Yeah, I finally fished over there by across from Wells Fargo over here. Caught like five of them. I like go. That's a hell of a catch right there.
Thank you.
Out here, it kind of comes out a little bit, and it's shallow right in there, and they'll push some bait fish up there.
Don't watch me until you see the cat.
All right, we're at our second pond we're gonna be fishing at today. So we may not be here for real long. It's got a lot of grown up around the edges here, so we may switch up pretty quick. We got a couple other places we're probably gonna go check out today. It's got some, all the places that we're going to today they got some really good bass in them. Sometimes they're a little bit hard to fish, so especially when it's kind of grown up like it is here. All this.
They're gonna be right on these edges. Normally fishing all of this. I was fishing that spinnerbait right in front of that line over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got a crankbait tied on, a spinnerbait. I mean, that's not gonna work in here.
No, it ain't. Dadgum.
I wish there was like an app or something you could see like all the ponds you're planning on fishing and like
Google Earth. Well, I don't know if they'll be updated though.
Yeah, like, I don't know if it'll be like in real time. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think they don't. They're careful. Still see them what ripples from it.
Didn't even look, just threw it. And that bat was just spiraling towards me, and I seen it, and like my brain couldn't react fast enough to move myself. And right when I thought, oh, I need to move, I tried to move and bow, right in the leg. I was like, oh my god.
And that's about as bad as freaking putting a skateboard in your shin.
This guy launched it. He hit the ball and he just threw it back, and I was like, oh no! I was like, God. Happened all in slow motion.
You know, you'd be surprised. This little hook, even though the hook's exposed, it does actually come through some stuff pretty good. Oh yeah, right around the edge of that. Perfect. It's kind of deep over there too. Ooh, come on now. Don't play with my feelings like that.
The tough thing is, you get hooked. You're bringing about 7 pounder back in with you. And it ain't gonna be old fish.
No.
By the time you get in, it's gonna be.
I lost one over there across the tracks yesterday. Got him.
There he is. That's a good one too, dude. Yep.
Oh. Come on, baby, stay above. Ah. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Let's get all this veggie off of them.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, dude, choked it.
Yeah,
Choked that bait right there. Look at that.
Get that old net action on him.
Oh, easy, buddy.
How do you work that net rig? Just tapping it on the bottom?
Yeah, kind of dragging, little pops. Yeah. See if I can. Hate when they flop like that, but you gotta get them out there some way.
That stuff's not too thick. It didn't give you too much.
Nah, it's really not that bad. It's a lot of fish on that one Z, man. It's about all day long. Right? Yeah, when I'm working this Ned rig, dude, I'll kind of drag it while I feel it on the bottom, and I'll just, almost just like you would a trick worm or a slim shake.
I ain't caught you, dude.
Nah, you're good. I'm on the bottom anyhow. Ooh, come on now.
Another one?
He was tapping it.
Yeah.
Just snapped his rod right there.
On the cast, baby.
God.
They're my first spinning reel. Way too much weight.
No, it snapped. It snapped. Jeez.
Hey, Rob. What the hell, dude?
I'm gonna stop lifting weights there, Rob.
I'm pretty sure what happened is, look how heavy this is.
Jesus, man.
Way too much weight for this.
That's a big freak. Where'd y'all get them things at?
Bass Pro Shop.
Jeez, that's a big freaking Cinco. Or stick bait.
Something pulled on it. Look.
Yeah. Dude, I had a bass, big bass, freaking hit my bait, tore off one end, you know, and knocked it loose.
Yeah.
Come back for it, tore off the other end. I'm like, dang it.
I like those when they come back from when you miss it, you come back and then you, dang, whoa.
Like this mistake and like just reel in real quick. Don't want to do that, especially when you're fishing with like a weightless.
Yeah, leave it there. They're gonna come back.
Because they're gonna dart back for it. Yep. It's just too weedy here for this thing. If we go to the barracks, then crankbaits should be a good bait. I mean, stick baits work too.
Yeah.
And it's real clean and open out there. Whoa, hey, look at this. It's got me a new lure. Dude, that's a Pop-R Magnum. Brand new, dude. Brand new lure.
Yeah, I found two of those. Whoever's fishing out here loves using those. I found two of them out here. That's the third one that I've seen come from here.
Heck yeah, man. I need a new one. Mine are beat up. My freaking paint's coming off of them and everything.
Yeah, if you look
That's
on the
the
bottom of it, it'll say Jesse.
Yeah. Nope, sorry, Jesse. Got a big old brim there. Is his eyes red? It might be a rock bass.
Four mouth.
Gee, yeah, that's a rock bass. His eyes are red.
Yeah.
It's a good old rock bass there. There's a heavy little thing in it.
I'm about to put him on my hook and throw him out.
There you go. Another location out here. These guys haven't ever fished here before, so I figured we'd come on out here and try some. And looks like he done got him on one.
Yep.
Yeah, there we go. All right, so we're all on board today, so that's good. I'm glad to see that. So I'm really glad to see that. We're just out here having a great time pond hopping. So I hope y'all enjoying the video so far. And let's get some more line in the water. Man, we all got the same idea at the same time, don't we? I was great putting mine up to move, and you look over, y'all are moving too. Right?
A&M Lake 1.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. We'll definitely go out there and catch fish. It'll be a numbers game out there. I don't know, Rob. Did he catch anything last time we all went out there? So, for at least an hour, go work the barracks with the crankbaits.
Popping out there, huh?
Did you throw that crankbait out there? There's some good fish in there. I caught a 4-pounder out there, 4-pound 1 ounce. I've caught a 3-pound 8 ounce, 3-pound 9 ounce.
I don't know what I did.
Jesus. That's a mess right there.
Whenever I cast it out, the line started trying to jump off.
Oh.
So then I just started pulling all the line out to get it all out.
Oh, then you let it spool out. It's so new, you know what I'm saying? It's been, got you nervous the way I was talking, huh?
Look at that weight.
Where you at?
I'll pull it in. Go ahead.
Oh no, you're good. Stay wherever you're at. Just need to know where you're at.
Oh, well, I was right across you. Perfect. So go ahead and cut off and
Redo again. Still messing with it, Rob? Ooh, there it is.
right.
What?
That's how it happens sometimes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and swap spots over here. Poor Rob back there, he's been having a time over here. Been catching snags like crazy. So we're gonna go hit up another spot over here. So we'll see y'all there. All right, we have spot number 4 today. It's probably gonna be our last stop. Maybe we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure yet, but we gotta keep going. You'll see a trail to the about 40 yards up there. You ought to see a trail to the left down there. But we're gonna be fishing this spot too. Probably fishing here most of the day, rest of the day here. And so I think it's I got 2 bass. Jesse's got 2 bass. And old Rob up there, he got 3. But he said he didn't have a little sort of bad luck here this afternoon. So we'll see if we can change it up. If he can get it changed up here. Yeah, we're gonna get on down to the water. Got him. Oh, pulled off.
On the crankbait?
Yep. Dang it.
Got him.
Here we go. Oh yeah. Let that baby just sit there for a minute. Well, not a minute long, but. Oh, there we go.
Got him.
Here we go. I'm not sure if I got that one on film though. We just caught another one. Rob still got one up on me on the day and two up on Jesse.
Don't say that so loud. Just let it sit there, huh?
Yeah, let's sit for a minute and then there we go. Got him one.
Oh, doesn't count.
Came off.
About the kind of day he's been having, huh?
Got him.
Yep.
Got one. There we go. Best one of the day so far. Well, not quite best one of the day, but best one here so far. It's a good looking. That's a good looking little bass. They're fat and healthy. I like seeing that.
Yeah. That might be a good one.
We got another one.
That might be a good one. Sure was fighting like this.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. We're getting on them now.
Poor bass had a bunch of mud in his mouth when he came up with it.
They try going down, you pull them up, it just scoops that stuff up like a bucket.
Hey, right here, boys.
Catch a cat nap.
I wouldn't mind taking that one.
Try a little downsize here. Got him. Yes.
I think I'm gonna get a new hobby.
Gonna get a new hobby. Go. Good luck. Thank you. Now look at her. Goes. Sweet.
Yeah, good day for your filming too.
Yeah, and everybody catching something too. I like that. That's good. Here you go. Appreciate it.
Huh?
And everybody catching something. I like that. Hey everybody. So Jesse and my buddy Rob, they went ahead and called it in for the day. So I'm back out here at another place that I like to come fishing. I'm gonna do some crankbaiting. Pretty much on every rod I got a crankbait. Figure this place out. I got a deep diving crankbait on, a really shallow deep diving crankbait, and kind of like a mid-water crankbait on. So I'm just gonna kind of trying to figure these fish out this evening, and hopefully we can get on some big ones and just have a great time like always. So let's get some on the water. Start off with the deep diver first. Way to the right. Adjust your crankbaits if they're running way too far one way. Like to see if y'all can see that it's leaned way over to the right. So I'm just going to take this and bend it back over a little bit. A lot straighter. So that's what I want. What I'm doing right now is called speed cranking. So I'm burning it and stop, burn, stop. Now just barely do a pause in there. I'm barely pausing. So what that does, because you can reel about as fast as you can, and that bass is still going to outswim it. So what happens is when you're burning it like that, and that bass is coming full throttle, and it stops, that bass can't just slow down quick enough. So what they do is just open up and eat it. So that's a good way to really cover a lot of water and get some good reactions. For that is either fluorocarbon. When you stop reeling, that lure will just dead stop. Now if you do like a braid to mono leader, when you stop, when you pause, it'll kind of slow to a stop rather than just stop immediately. So it all just depends, kind of just process of figuring out what they're wanting. Sometimes you can just do a straight straight retrieval as well, because sometimes they'll hit it on the run. And since I've been burning, not getting much luck on them, so I'm gonna slow it down a little bit. Got one. That's a good one. Yes. Here we go. There we go. Good little fatty right there. That's what I'm talking about. That's right there. Well, not really a little bass, actually pretty good bass right there. Just good luck. Good release on her. There she goes. Yeah. All right. So we can get us another one. They didn't like it. Didn't want that burning. Moving real fast. Slowed it down. Nailed it. Getting excited and starting to. Oh, I missed him. Here. Got one. Got one. Let's get her back in the water. Sweet. Let's go. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Well, deep diving crankbaits for the liking. All right. Let's go ahead and switch up lures here pretty shortly. Whoa! Dang, you missed it. He came right there. That little guy just tried to eat that. You don't see that every day. One time hooked him out on the side. Yeah, because this thing's got yeah. Whew. It's not a bad one. Whew. That's a good bass there. Look at his belly. Just get back in the water. Here we go. I think that's going to be the end of the video for today. I don't know. It's a good day. I'm glad I got to go fishing with my buddies Jesse and Rob today. That was really nice of them inviting me along today. And it's been a good day. We all caught some bass, and then I came back out here this evening, do some crankbaiting and try out a new technique, and it worked really well. And I'm really glad I come in here to try it, and you know, really just blessed and grateful to be out here. And I just want to say thank you to all y'all for your views and for your support and your follows and subscribes. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel today, please hit that subscribe button. And if y'all enjoy this video, please smash that thumbs up button. If y'all have some video ideas, some challenges and stuff y'all would like to see, hey, just leave some comments below and I'll get right back to you. And till then, y'all have a good one. Chest bump. I'm out. Well, actually just caught a bass and didn't even get on camera. It wasn't real big, guys. Probably about a pound and a half. Ooh, got another one. Nope, nope, got a stick. Dang it. I'm getting all trigger happy here now. You know, just save some battery power, some time on there. Cut the camera off and forgot to cut it back on. Or cut the recording off anyways. I didn't turn the camera off. Got one. It's a big one. It's a big one. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Oh, stay on, baby. Stay on. Oh, don't come off. Please don't come off. Oh, stay on, stay on, stay on. That's a big bass. Holy cow. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wish I had my scale. I don't have my scale. I don't know where it went. I lost it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whew. Yes. That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. Yes. Whew. I don't know if I have a, oh, I don't have a scale. No, that's okay. Whew. Oh man, shaking. Freaking massive. Woo, just got this big guy here. Unfortunately, I don't have a scale. I'm pretty sure that's my PB right there. That's a beautiful, beautiful bass. Whoo! Oh, throwing crankbaits, square bill. Oh. That's a beautiful bass. Yeah, y'all leave some comments and remarks. How much y'all think that bass weighs? That thing is huge. Whew. Oh man. Whew. That is a big, big bass. Whew. Man. Oh. That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. Yes, that has got to be my PB. Hey, y'all leave some comments below. Let me know how much you think this bass weighs. I unfortunately do not have a scale. I don't even know where my scale's at. So, we're gonna get this girl. We're gonna get her back in the water, and hey, maybe we can get on a couple more like this. Beautiful bass there, huge. Golly. Thanks, bud. Let's get her back in the water here. There she goes. Whoo! That's what I'm talking about. Man, that was amazing. Wow. Yeah, it is a little upset I don't have a scale. But you know, that's okay. I'm just really glad, I'm happy I was able to catch that bass, because that's a, you know, it's definitely not an everyday bass, let alone, you know, something that often happens. But I do know my PB right around 9, and that bass was bigger. That bass was a lot bigger than 9, or than my PB was. So y'all leave some comments below and let me know what y'all think that bass might have been. I almost want to say it was definitely double digits for sure, but that bass was bigger than a 10-pound bag of 10. Oh, I'm hung up. Got a bigger one, don't want to be breaking off, so caught that big one like that. I'm gonna go ahead and just tie a fresh knot. So I've been snagging on limbs and everything as well. I'm like about beside myself right now. Still kind of shaking there. That was, whew. That was amazing.